Hey you guys, so today is Thursday, and on this episode of The Fuse and Where is Garlinda, right, I am super excited to take you along with me on my journey today. I have a brand new listing. I have an incredible client that I've been representing probably for the last, 10 years. Probably since I started real estate. This is going into my 12th year come October. Well, I guess October passed. I'm going into 2020 minus 2009. Yep. Okay. Going into my 12th year in real estate. So excited. And I've had this client for about 10 years, and they always bless me with the most awesome, most affordable listings that are ready to go. They are so easy to work with. They work well with my buyer clients. So super excited to take you along on the journey. What I'm doing is previewing it today to make sure it's ready to hit the market. I've already priced it out, told the seller what he can expect to get for it for their organization. Come along on the journey. Just to let you know too, I wanted to let you know that we are a full service brokerage. And what does that mean? I'm a full-time real estate broker and owner. And so when you come to purchase your home, to list your home for sale, to invest in real estate, to purchase locally, nationally, because we have a referral database across the country, or even internationally, we have relationship with fellow brokers across the country, globally, across the world. We can help you purchase your home. Whether you want to be in the mountains or the beach, right? We always share with everyone our slogan, and it's trademarked, right? From the capital to the coast, your realtor for life, even to the Mexican coast. We want to help you find your way home. So we're super excited, and we are always looking to push the envelope to see how can we better serve our clients? How can we add even greater value? And so you may or may not know, but we also started adding credit restoration services, because many people, it's not that they have bad credit. Sometimes they don't have any credit. We know the way. We know how to help you establish credit. When you work with us, you can be confident and you can be assured that you're working with the best of the best, that you're working with pros, right? Our team of professionals, we know the way, we know what to do, we understand the rules, the laws, the regulations, and guess what? We're going to have a great time shopping for a home with me. When I tell you we are going to have an incredible time, we are going to have so much fun on your journey. Now, I will share with you that during this time is so unprecedented, right? There's so many people looking at the same home because there's limited inventory. So we have to have a backup house, right? A backup home. We got to have home A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, right? We have to have all these backup homes. But also, I know strategies on how we can best be the one that wins the deal for you. So let's work together. I'd be honored to serve you. Give me a call or text me at 910-494-7798. I'm Garlinda Price, and I'm honored to serve you. So let's take a tour of this incredible subdivision. Hey, you guys. So I've been taking you along with me on the journey of home ownership to find lots for my clients. Now I'm out looking for a home for my move-up buyer client. And so they've been living in their home for about 14 years. And so now they are ready to take the leap to a larger home. And so many people are doing that. You know, maybe have you been in your home for like 10 years? A lot of times people used to stay in homes roughly 7 years, roughly 5 to 7 years, 6 years. And now all of a sudden people are staying in homes a lot longer. And so, but now with the coronavirus and people just working from home and teleworking, what they're realizing now that everyone is at home, college students are back home, kids are back home. I'm just taking you on a tour with me of this incredible neighborhood. It's in Lillington, and I'm just showing you the quality of homes that this particular subdivision has. But with people being home and everyone being home, look, they're noticing that they need larger refrigerators. That's why there's such a back order on refrigerators. Have y'all noticed that appliances are taking 2 to 3 months to come back into stock? It's crazy, right? But also people are finding that they need more space because they may have their parents, they may have their children, you know, so maybe that's you. Are you looking to move up and have more space? Are you looking to live somewhere other than where you currently live? Because now that you can commute from your bedroom to your living room, from your bedroom to your dining room, from your bedroom to the garage to get away from the kids and the dog, right? Wherever you find yourself teleworking from, you can do that from anywhere. And so here in Lillington, there's this incredible community. They have so many beautiful communities in Lillington, but I would just tell you what my heart's desire is for, I think, the best homes known to man are those that are stately, that are all brick, that are like that really great wood, not baby pine, You know, nothing against new construction, right? But if you can find a stately home that, of course, maybe needs some cosmetics upgrade. We talk about this all the time. Some cosmetic upgrades or some cosmetic work. Why not, right? And if you're handy at all and you can do some of the work yourself, why not? And so what you'll find right now as you're looking as a buyer is that homes are a lot smaller and they're costing a lot more. That's a beautiful home. It looks empty too. I'm about to check on that. Homes are costing a lot more, and the square feet that you're able to get is just a little bit less than what you would normally get. But I want you to look at the upside to that, and I want you to see the positive in that. The river is back there too. So the positive in that is that you may be purchasing a smaller home and it may be costing you a little bit more money, but the upside to that is, what if you can purchase a home that actually has space that's unfinished that you could finish? What if you actually purchase a home that has the opportunity and the potential to be expanded, right? What if you can purchase a home and you can get it for a less price and it's older, right? But you can do some renovations to it and make your money back on it. So these are the things that add value to a home. Kitchens and bathrooms, right? And when you add additional square feet. But anytime that you put granite countertops in a home, or anytime you put stainless steel appliances in a home, or anytime that you put new flooring in a home, those things are intrinsic value. That's just cosmetic. That's just for your own personal enjoyment, right? So that's not anything that's going to add value or bring any type of additional money or dollars to your home. But what will bring additional money and dollars to your home, I pulled over so somebody could go by. They're messing up our tour, right? But the things that will bring value and the things that will help you to make additional money is anytime you add square feet to a home, and that is huge. That's where you're going to get your money and your value. I don't know what this person is doing. Okay, so you have the river back there as well. And again, you just have these beautiful, stately homes that are just so incredible. I was just trying to see what that person was doing back there. It seemed like their driving was a little erratic. So anyway, I just wanted to take you on a tour to see what Lillington has to offer. So again, if you're looking to be a first-time home buyer, if you're looking to move up in what you're purchasing, if you're looking to purchase your beach home, if you're looking to purchase internationally, we have access to all of those things for you, right? We are a one-stop shop, as I shared with you. But anyway, let's just look at a few more of these beauties that this neighborhood has to offer. Sorry about that. You got stuck in my little, what is that thing called? I don't even remember what it's called. Oh, the visor. So anyway, let's take a look at two more houses, and then we're going to get out of here, and I'm going to head to my listing appointment so you can see what that super cute home has to offer. I will share with you this about my listing, is that it's super affordable. It's about 1,400 to 1,500 square feet, and it is in a great neighborhood. The yard looks like a park. It is so gorgeous. I sold it to the client back in 2013, and now they're listing it for sale again. So look at that. That's the one. And look at this one. That's number 2. So incredible. The other thing I love about this neighborhood is just how unique all the homes are. Every house doesn't look different. Every home stands out, and it has its own quality and appeal, and it has all these different genres that they were building in, right? The 70s, the 80s, the 90s, the 2000s. I just love it. And that's what makes a neighborhood, and to me, that's what makes a home feel like a home. Everything is unique and different, and everyone's home doesn't look the same. I'm more of a traditional home type girl. What about you? Do you love traditional? Do you prefer new construction? Like, what stands out for you? Like, look, that one's really pretty. It does have a golf course out here. I did say I was only going to show you one more home, but let's just for kicks and giggles show the rest of the ones that are on the left-hand side. Somebody's walking their dog. My listing appointment, so I'm not late, and I'll take you with me. Hey you guys, so this is our new listing at 1706 Webster Avenue here in Fayetteville, North Carolina. It has an incredible yard. It is a ranch home with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. and it is ready for you to call it home. It has like the crown molding details, the dental molding I should say. So when you walk into the foyer, you have all of this incredibly beautiful dental molding along the edges. So pretty, totally love it. You have your formal living room, formal dining room, we will go that way. The carpet is in excellent shape. The home is move-in ready. All of your bedrooms are on this side. You have your hall bathroom with a single vanity. You have your linen closet right here in the hallway. Let me bring you back a little bit. You have the first bedroom right here to the right. I love the floor-to-ceiling windows. When you come in, this is a huge bedroom. It will hold a king-size bed. It will also hold a queen, plus your chest of drawers, your nightstands, all that great stuff. We come back out and go down the hall. You have another bedroom at the end of the hall, super huge. We'll go this way so you can see it still has the floor-to-ceiling windows. You have the closet right there. As we come back out, you turn right and go into the master bedroom. Huge master bedroom. Turn, let me show you how big it is. It can fit a queen size bed, king size bed, whatever you decide. It's a really wide room, so tons of space. You can fit all your furniture in here. You have a walk-in closet. You can always change those racks out and do the wire racking. And then also you have a stand-up shower and bathroom in the master bath. As we turn right and come back out, there's a closet right to the front. Let's see what's in here. So that's just another storage closet to the right. And then over here to the right, you have your den area. I don't have all the blinds open, but you have this huge den. I'm gonna go this way so you can check it out and you can see it. It's huge, you're gonna love it. I'm gonna go across the room and span back over so you can see it again. Look how huge that is. You can fit all your furniture in there, have all your incredible family gatherings. I'm gonna take you, before we go outside, I just saw some squirrels playing. The backyard is like a park setting. So look, you have this huge kitchen. You have all this space so you can have your eating kitchen, your dining room table, everything in here. Plus you have a formal dining room, but you have all of the real wood cabinets, because this is an older home, but super gorgeous, totally affordable. You're going to love it. It has the stove, the dishwasher. It has these beautiful, rich, dark wood cabinets, and has vinyl flooring, so easy to maintain, very low maintenance. Out here you have a newer hot water heater, and then we have the laundry room. So how cool is that? Over there your dryer would go. And then you have your single car garage, you have the attic entry, and you have the exterior with a great shed out back. How cool is that? We come back, turn around, come back through the kitchen, and we're gonna go into your formal dining room. I love how it has the chair rail across the wall and the dental molding, and you can always update or switch out light fixtures if you want to, but this is affordable. This is a great home, great space. Look how huge the living room is. If you wanted to at some future date, you could always open that wall up if that's not a load-bearing wall, and you would have an open floor plan right into the den area. But in the meanwhile, this is a great location. It's right in the middle of Fayetteville, close to the mall, minutes to Fort Bragg. You're on the main thoroughfare to everything. So let's head out back so you can take a look at the backyard. Oh my gosh, look at this deck. Now I did sell my client the home, but I forgot how incredible this deck was, because I haven't been here in 7 years, right? I think they purchased it back in 2013. Now they're ready to let another client have it as a beautiful home. So look, there's a crawl space down below, and you have another area right down here where you can set your grill. You have the lights on the edge of the deck. I love it. So let me step down so you can have another look at the deck and see how expansive it is. It's actually attached, so if you wanted to, you could have a contractor glass this entire thing in, screen it in, however you want to do it, and now you have a Florida room. How cool is that? So there is a lot of straw out here, so I want to be careful walking out here, but I do want to show you the grill area or patio for additional seating. There's so many squirrels out here. I hope they don't jump me. That would be a YouTube moment, wouldn't it? And then look how beautiful the deck is. And so then you have the other door over here off the laundry room. And I am going to be brave and open up the shed. So this shed comes with the home. So let's open it up. I don't think it's locked. So look, huge shed, wired, hello, she shed, man cave, she cave, whatever you want to call it, game room for the kids. That is incredible. So this is our new listing at 1706 Webster. It's fully fenced rear yard, totally gorgeous, feels like home. Hey, give me a call. It's Garlinda Price, your realtor for life. You already know that. Fusion Properties, broker and owner, CEO, 910-494-7798. Oh, and did I mention this on the crawl space? I might have said that. And look at that roof. Almost like new. It may be new. I don't know. I have to ask the owner. Totally incredible. Low maintenance home. Let's call it home today.